Hello everyone, in this video we're going to perform the EDR installation. First I'm going to log in to my ESXi server. Going to create a virtual machine, and I'm going to choose the option to deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or an OVA. Hit next, name it Symantec EDR, and I'm going to upload the file that I've downloaded from the Symantec website. Hit next again, agree to the terms and conditions, leave everything at default, and hit finish. Now please keep in mind that the minimum requirement for this machine is 48 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs of storage, and 8 cores. Let's continue. I'm going to power on the machine and let it run. Now for the default login, the username would be admin and the password would be Symantec, all in lowercase letters. I'm going to create a new password. And for this tutorial, I'm going to choose all-in-one option. Now I'm going to need to give this machine a static IP. In my case, 192.168.1.100. I'm going to put in the subnet mask. My gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. My DNS server is the same. I don't wish to configure another DNS server, and I don't need to configure static routes. I'm going to name the device EDR. For the NTP server, I'm going to use ntp.org, but of course you can use whichever one you prefer. Now I'm going to have to save these changes, hit enter, and the installation process will begin. Now I'm going to skip this forward, but this took about 20 minutes. Once it's done, I'm going to need to log in again, same user admin, and of course put in the new password that I created before. And we're done. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For more news and updates, visit tombh.com. See you next time.